everybody, it's Diane again. So is the Target Beauty Box. Now I know these kind of vary when they come out online. They also vary in price. Some months they're $5 or $7 or $10. It just all kind of varies. This actually, and they did this last year, so I think like once or twice a year maybe, they actually put these in stores, and they usually give you 4 different options. I don't think you have an option when you buy online. I think they just give you one of them. So it's nice when they have these in store because you can actually look on the back and see, is this anything that even remotely interests me? Or, wow, every box has basically the same thing. Or this one all has face masks, this one all has beauty. So you can kind of mix and match and decide what's the best for you. So I picked this box. I think at my Target it was 7, and when I walked by another Target these were 5. So I was kind of pissed about that. But anyways, I'll show you what I got. Now obviously I knew what was going to be in this box when I got it. If you get them too, at least in the store, when and if they have them, they show on the back. So you can decide if you even want to buy it, which is nice. And it's always small, like minis and travel sizes. So inside it gives you a little bit of info on the products that are in there, and you get a little coupon if you ever need that. So I will show you what I got in mine. So I've got, it's a very pink box. This Method Body Peony Rose Water and Pink Sea Salt Body Wash. So I know I'll use this. For me, I mean, I don't go through body wash that quickly. So for me, this is the perfect size because this will take me like all month at a minimum. So, or whatever, if I'm like bathing every single day, and I don't. And it smells really good. It's a nice light scent, so that's really cool, and I'm excited to try it. There's this little Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, and it's literally the tiniest little travel size. I mean, that's probably like 1 or 2 days of misting, and that's it. Let's see. I have no idea what this scent is, and I hate to waste it just to try it on camera. Made with rose water, so it probably smells like rose. I also have the Garnier Skin Active 3-in-1 Moisturizer. Looks like a hair thing. Oh no. So you can, it's a day, night cream and or mask. So they say you can leave it on your skin and then rinse it off. Let's see how much of the packet is full. And that doesn't, like, that's less than half the packet, and I doubt, I mean, some of that's bubble. So you probably got, like, if you used it day and night, not including trying to use it as a mask, because I don't think that would really do anything. I don't know, 3 days maybe at the most if you pushed it. So I'll try it. It'll be fun, but it's hard to tell with skincare after 3 days if you like it, if your skin likes it, if it's giving you any effects, at least for me. I am really excited to try the Pixi by Petra Rose Tonic Nourishing Toner. It's a very cute little mini. I feel like you'd get at least a week or 2 out of this if you used it day and night. I find that like even minis for toner, and I put it all over my face twice a day, don't go that as fast as I would think that they would, because you actually don't use a ton of it. I haven't opened this to smell it. Hopefully I don't break my... Oh, there's a little rose hint to it. I'm sensing a rose theme. I mean, literally everything in this box has been rose. But I'm excited to try this because it, to me, for drugstore, it's pretty expensive. And I'm like, I want to try it before I buy it kind of thing. But yes, and then the last thing I got was this cute little native deodorant in lavender and rose. It smells good. I mean, it's hard to tell like how much product I could, let's see. All right, we'll roll it up. We'll see how much product's in here. Again, like deodorants, I feel like, ooh, that's pretty full. It's still going. I don't want to like fuck it up where I can't like twist it out. It smells really good. I'm excited to try this. I usually stick with the same like 3 or 4 brands of deodorant, so it's fun to try something new without having to like buy it, even though technically I did. So for me, the things I'm most interested in would obviously be the deodorant, the shower gel body wash, and the Pixi Rose toner. To me, these 3 are the winners of the day, and then these 2 are almost not enough to even know if you like it at all. So I thought it was cool. I've done this once before. I would definitely do it again. I wish these boxes were as good as I felt like the last boxes were that they had in store 6 months to a year ago. I felt like this was the best of the 3 or 4 options that were in my store, but you never know. Let me know what you think. If you've bought these, if you've gone online and kind of gotten the mystery ones, are they really mysteries? I don't know. But yeah, it's fun. I like trying new things. So, alright, have a great day. Bye.